I would like to be a rider to feel how they feel it on the bike. Because the throttle sensor was not working. The sticker for the verification of the bike. Well, completely one bike after the crash, big crash, one bike completely was the faster for the mechanic. It was amazing. Wow. I never see the start. Salt and pepper. Just change compression side. Ama y ensancha el alma de Extremoduro. Listen Julio Iglesias before the race. Just give the power to see how is the tire. It's 23 crazy guys going faster in a circuit, and you have to be the faster one. American tape and tie wraps. Wow, I have to go to the toilet. I have been in a lot of great parties, but always Phillip Island party is very funny. A lot.